Good morning, traders. This is Brad Matheny. Today's the 29th of June. I just got done doing my normal weekend research for all of my subscribers, and I came up with something very interesting, folks. I see this market accelerating sharply into 2025, into early 2025, this area, and I see the SPY targeting basically 435 to 465. So let's just round it to 450 as a very sharp rally. Now, I do expect a couple of pullbacks along the way. Okay, so I do expect a pullback potentially here in September, October of this year. Nothing major. I think this level here, I'll make this big and dark and dash. This is the major resistance and support level that is going to play a critical role. I'm going to keep it here, and I'm going to pick something bright. I want you guys to see this. Nope. What is a good solid bright color for you guys? Bright purple, maybe? Dark purple? Okay, dark purple. So this is our major support resistance area. The SPY right now is just below this. Take a look at this. So we're just below this level. Right now, we stalled off of it last month. This is a monthly chart, and we're getting ready to break or attempt to break above it. When we do, I think we're going up here, 600, 606, almost instantly, probably within the next 20 to 30 days. Then I think we stall a bit into the elections, trying to refine support in this area, and then attempt to move higher. But based on my analysis, this was a wave 4 pullback. Okay, and this is a wave 5 rally, wave 1 of 5. Okay, so now wave 1 could continue quite a bit higher, possibly well into the 740, 760, maybe even 800, because understand that wave 3 has to be bigger than wave 1, and I'm just going to go off of what I call rejection points. So wave 3 here has to be bigger than wave 1. It already is. Very simple way to understand this is to come in here and use a Fibonacci extension. Pick your rejection point or peak or bottom. Pick your rejection point, and that gives us targeting, folks. We can see the 618 level moving higher, the 1.0 level at 519. Then we can come up here and see the 1.5 level at 569. Remember, I'm targeting up here 594 to 219. And then look at how beautiful this number up here is. It is a 3.25 number all the way up. So you have a target in my 606 to 634 area, pretty much between this 2 and 2.27 number. You also have a target up here, which is the 3.25 number. Okay. And then you have the mid range target right in this area as 1.5 and 1.618, as well as 1.75. This is telling you that my projection as far as price, visual order, send to back. My projection as far as price is very, very realistic. Okay. This move, this C move, could literally be two and a quarter times the previous A move here. And that would put us right in this area, right where I'm targeting, right here. Big potential target zone. Then we may see a little bit of a pullback, rallying up here to wave 5, maybe even higher. And wave 5 can be actually bigger than wave 3. It can be. But understand that this is a very solid projection, in my opinion. I think the market is going to move up substantially, then pull back in late 2025, moving into possibly 2026 as a base, possibly back down in this area. Remember, we have this big, strong support level right here on this line. In fact, I'll try to make it yellow. That way everybody can see it. That's our major support resistance line. And if we do find support down here in this area, 588 again, then we're looking at a big, strong rally, which will actually be, so understand, this is wave 1, 2, 3. The big, strong rally of the wave 3 of wave 5 could put us up in the 1200, 1300 area. Well, let's call it 1000 to 1250 area right over here. Could put us up in that area by the end of 2028, early 2029. And then I think we're going to see some rotation. And then I think we're going to see a big, strong rally up in here into the blow off peak. And this is where everybody's going to be screaming crash all the way up. Even they're doing it now, guys. Everybody seems to be hollering crash, crash, crash. It's going to crash. Don't, sell the farm, sell your kids. Just everybody seems to be screaming crash right now. And I see it totally opposite. I see the SPY could be trading above 1,000, 1,100 within the next 3 years. It could be trading above 730, 740 by February, March, April, May of 2025. So you got to tell yourself, at this point, my estimate is that we're going to see a 30%, 35% rally before the end of the second quarter in 2025. We could see a 100% rally or more before, let's say, midpoint of 2029. And we could see a 160 to 180% rally before the ultimate peak sets up in possibly mid late 2031. So you've got a long way to go, and you've got a lot of opportunity here to play. So if you're listening to the wrong people, or if you're hearing what I'm saying, let me put it this way. If you hear what I'm saying and you want something fresh and real and data driven and factual driven, then come check out what I do, because I'm different than most people. I'm here to tell you what's going on and what I think is going to happen reasonably based on factual data and my expectations and my proprietary systems. And this is no joke, guys. Okay, this is reality. I think we're going to see a big, massive rally that no one expects, but potentially doubling or more than doubling the U.S. major indexes over the next 5, 6, possibly 7 years. Okay, guys, talk to you later. Hope this helps.